Hi there, welcome to the ukestuff channel and welcome to this tutorial video for the ukulele play along videos of Everybody Loves Christmas from a Cinderella Story Christmas Wish as recorded by Laura Marano. It's in the key of G, and this was a request and I've actually managed to make it happen this year. I can't do a lot of requests, but every now and then I find one that I can. So we're going to do this video is we're going to look at the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. We'll take a look at baritone DGBE ukulele. Then we'll talk about strumming. Just to remind you that there are chapters here in the video, so you can jump to parts of the video that matter to you. If you like the chords that you see here, you can get the chord chart or tabs at ukestuff.info. Ukestuff is a collaborator with this site. So let's begin with the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. I'll be using this instrument. This is my Koloha Opio long neck soprano ukulele made of acacia. All right, there are 4 chords in the song. The first one is the G chord, then the A minor chord, the C chord, and then the E minor chord. Now, the E minor chord is not as hard as it might seem, especially if you don't use the pinky. So first finger goes to the first string, 2nd fret, and then the other 2 fingers just waterfall down. And those are the 4 chords to play Everybody Loves Christmas by Laura Marano in A Cinderella Story Christmas Wish on GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Now let's take a look at baritone. For baritone, I'll be using this instrument. This is my mainland baritone, solid cedar top, rosewood back and sides. The first chord you need is the G chord, then the A minor chord. It's a C chord with 1 extra finger. Then there's the C chord, and finally the E minor chord. And those are the 4 chords you need to play Everybody Loves Christmas from A Cinderella Story Christmas Wish as recorded by Laura Marano. Now let's talk strumming a little bit. Now, as we talk about strumming, please remember there's no one right answer with strumming. So realistically, whatever you strum, as long as it fits with the beat and sort of the style of music, you're good. So don't fret, no pun intended, too much about the strumming pattern that you've got to use. Some people really get caught up in it. Don't. So let me just show you one strumming pattern that works for a lot of the song, although you're going to have to modify it from time to time depending on what you hear, because there are some times that some chords move early. But the main idea is this, is that if you're in the main part of the song and you've got this 4 chord progression of G, A minor, C, and G, what I hear happening a lot of the time is this. It's an 8 downstrum pattern. So I'm going to start on the G chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I was already giving it away. Right now I'm trying to play them all equally. Now, what you need to do is to bring out these beats. Couple things I want to bring out. First of all, it's, and you're thinking 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But the other thing I want to just talk about really quickly is actually strumming. So it's all happening in my wrist if you're watching me do this. I'm watching myself on the video as I do it, but it's all right here, and my hand doesn't get tired from that motion. I'm not really strumming hard. It's a light strum, and I strum with 1 finger. Could you strum with your thumb? Yeah, but it's a little harder for me to control it. My thumb doesn't lead itself to finesse very well. My first finger does. So I think that's part of the reason why Hawaiians use it. And again, traditional strumming is point at you, point to the floor, point at you to the point to the floor, and it's in the wrist. So as I'm doing this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That will work pretty well. Now, there are moments, again, where you're going to have to shorten that pattern, and you just might have to fill for a couple beats as the chord changes a little bit early or something like that. That's okay. Just listen, strum, see what works, experiment with it, but really that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is really going to be your ticket for most of this song. All right, thanks so much for joining me for this video. Again, if you'd like to support the work here, there's 3 things you can do. You can like the video, you can subscribe to the channel. You can always thank me for these videos and this content by buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. It really does help and mean a lot. All right. Again, hope you're having a great day, a great holiday season, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.